Listen, you don't need to watch another video because you've identified and fixed your commitments. You've set boundaries. You started structuring your life. So why are you still stuck? The truth is that you're still thinking instead of moving. Here's the rebuild principle number 4. Information becomes a trap when it replaces execution. The reality is that you've watched enough, read enough, learned enough. You already know what to do. But as long as you're learning, you don't have to risk being wrong. You get to stay in potential. Clarity doesn't come from thinking. It comes from movement. So try doing this. Stop asking, what else do I need to learn? Start asking, what do I already know that I haven't acted on? Because execution builds confidence, clarity, and momentum. Once you identify that you're overcommitted, you lack boundaries, your life is structured wrong, and you're hiding information, you simply have to fix these items, and your life will change. Trust me. This is The Rebuild, and I'm Les Allen. If this episode spoke to you, please subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, share it with someone you love or care about. Until the next episode, remember that respect is the only currency that doesn't lose its value. Stay sharp, stay respected, stay rebuilding. Peace.